YouTube, good morning, man. It is currently 5:54 in the morning, so we're gonna say it's about 6 o'clock roughly, jigging out work type beat. You know what I'm saying? Finna do a little POV for y'all, man. We just getting out work, so we in this early morning traffic with people trying to get home from work, get the kids to school, you feel me? Get to work themselves, you feel me? So, it's kind of wet out and on rear-wheel drive, so we ain't gonna cut the traction. But we gonna turn up for y'all on the highway, man, because I'm headed home. I just got out of work, little 8-hour shift, wasn't nothing. Shit was a breeze. Finna go get some rest and whatnot. So I just decided to cut on the camera, you feel me? Show y'all my drive home, whatnot. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna show y'all the whole way home because, we got some crazy people. But I'm gonna show y'all partially, you know what I'm saying? Probably, I might do a little detour. Just, you know how people be, man. You kind of weird. By the way, I'm in a 2024 Q50 Redsport, by the way. You feel me? The newest of the new. The best of the best. You feel me? Let me give y'all a walk around of this boy real quick. Yeah, and that's the outside of the car. And by the way, we are in Mexico, and all this is recorded on a green screen. This is Forza Horizon 5. If you haven't played Forza Horizon 5, go check it out, man. It's a great game, man. You can go buy the steering wheel, the pedals, the gear shifter. I done seen crazy setups where, you know what I'm saying, people are like me. They got the whole dash in their living room, and they are playing the game. So this is all a green screen. Remember that. None of this is real. None of this is real. So, yeah, let's get into the video. Yeah, let's go ahead and, we'll go ahead and, put the car in that mode. And I don't know if I'm tweaking. Let me know in the comments down below. But on this mode right here, you see I got an Eco. I put it on Sport yesterday, and the car felt different. So you got this mode right here, and you got the Sport Plus. I don't know, you know what I'm saying, if I'm right. The car feel different and whatnot because I put, you know what I'm saying, well, whatever, you know what I'm saying. I don't know what's going on. I just know it got 2 sport modes, and I ain't never did it before. Now the car feel, you feel me? The car is like, I don't know. Maybe I'm tweaking. Maybe it's not different. Maybe it is different from just putting it in sport. But once I put this in sport mode, bro, I felt a whole different car. You feel me? We in a tunnel, so let's rev it. Yeah, I need exhaust ASAP. That ain't gonna cut it. That ain't gonna cut it. That's probably we don't see no police officers, man. Cause I got pulled over the other day, and they like stripped my car. Like, it was on 420, so they were just out probably looking for people anyway to, you know what I'm saying, pull over. Just because it's 420. You know what's going on 420. Damn, that truck loud as hell. But yeah, we in traffic right now. I'm gonna hit y'all back when we get on the highway. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for your boy, man. Get this video to, I want to say 20 likes. I'll do another POV, man. Make sure y'all go check out the POV that I already dropped. on my channel. This is G37 right here. Let's see what he want to do. Is that a police officer right there? Let's see what he want to do. Do he want it? Do he want the smoke? Is that government? Nah, that ain't the government. Oh, it's a Honda right here. He trying to sleek float. Yeah, the car feels way faster. Like, I don't think I'm tweaking. Remember, guys, this is all a green screen. So let's talk. Let me know in the comments down below. I want to add another car to my channel. Whether it's Mopar, BMW, I don't know yet. I'm not for sure what I want to add, but I'm kind of sort of headed in another car's direction in July. I mean, the V6 is cool and all, but I kind of sort of want a little V8 rumble. Ooh, shit. Slow it down, man. 12 might be lurking. If the pigs keep tweaking, we gonna start frying bacon. But yeah, man, let me know in the comments down below what you guys are interested in, or what you guys want to see, maybe even on this car. If you guys want to see me build this car, let me know. Put exhaust on it, you know what I'm saying? Or whatever, some wheels, whatnot. I don't want to go too crazy. My second car I'm gonna go crazy on. My second car is gonna be the car that I learned how to actually work on cars, and it's gonna be the car I actually learn how to work on, you know what I'm saying? Break it, fix it, whatnot. So stuff like that, man. I'm really headed in the Mopar direction just because that V8, man. You cannot beat that V8, bro, at all. Like, it sound good, look good. You feel me? So let me know in the comments down below what you guys, you know what I'm saying, think I should get. Or should I just put that money? I said money. I should put that money towards, you know what I'm saying, this car, modding it. But I really don't want to. I want a second car. I kind of sort of want to get rid of my truck. Clapped out Honda. Big wang. Big wang. I tried to get the Honda to do something, but a Jeep pulled up on the side of me. But yeah, I've been gone for like 2 weeks. I know. My apologies. I'm trying to be more consistent, man, but I be working, bro. Y'all gotta understand, YouTube ain't my full-time job. I'm loving the support, though. You feel me? I'm only getting 100 to, what? I got 300 views on one video. But at the same time, man, imagine 300 people standing in front of you, and you gotta perform, you feel me? So I look at it as that. You feel me? We on the grind, man. We on the road to 100 subs. I think we had 40. We had 40 something, bro. We just gonna keep on grinding. We just gonna keep on grinding, you feel me? Slow and steady, man. I always had a dream of being a YouTuber, so you feel me? I got a card that can, you know what I'm saying, boost my chances of becoming a YouTuber. So I'm gonna take heed to it. You know what I'm saying? Record when I can. We got a legal pit May 4th that I might be attending. See, do the Honda want it? Just do it to him just because. Being a bully. Being a big old bully. Being a big old bully for no reason. Make sure ain't no cops coming off their exit. Being a bully just because. But yeah, man, we got a pick coming May 4th. I might attend. It's some guys close to my hometown. They're hosting it, so I might go out there, support whatever, you know what I'm saying, show off the Redsport and whatnot. I ain't got nothing else to do. I got a party to go after. Let me know in the comments down below. I'm a vlog I'm a vlog at the legal pit for sure. But if you guys want to see the after, you know what I'm saying, the aftermath where I party, whatnot, you guys want to see that too on the channel, let me know. Cause I gladly show you guys. What's this over here? What's this is? Let's see if we can't bully him real quick. What he got? Oh, it's like it's a 37. It's a 37 right there. Let's see, can we get a victim this morning? See, can we get a victim this morning? If you go on my Instagram, I beat one of these. Oh, and he's a Redsport. Let's see if he want it. Let's see if he want it. He don't want it. It's too early for you, Bubba. I think it's too early for him. Like I said, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. He don't want it. So we're gonna go on about our business. We ain't gonna be no bully. We ain't gonna be no bully, man. We just gonna enjoy our ride to the spinach. We just gonna enjoy our ride to the spinach. 110 easy, man. This is the fastest car. It's not the fastest car I've drove. I've driven the Scat Pack. If you go on my Instagram, I almost crashed it. You're gonna go to my Instagram, Redsport Jordan, man. Go look at that, man. It's the first reel I ever posted on my Instagram. I almost crashed it, but you know, I didn't end up crashing it. So, you know what I'm saying? Things turned out well for me. But oh man, I'm gonna just sit back and let y'all enjoy this this drive. What the fuck just flew from that car? Alright, man, we're coming up on our exit, man. That's gonna wrap up the video. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see in the future, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. I'm getting on the highway, man. I'm pushing my car to the limit for you guys, bro. Whatever you guys want to see, I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna try to make it happen. I ain't gonna say I'm gonna make it happen, but yeah, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Go watch all the videos on my channel, man. Make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram. And I'm out.